Hello everyone. We're asked to find the value of x for this logarithmic equation, given that 4 log root of x to base b minus log 3x to base b equal to log s raised to the power negative 2 to base b. So the question is 4 log root of x to base b minus log 3x to base b equal to log x raised to the power of negative 2 to base b. Now at this point, recall in our laws of logarithm that if n multiply by log m to base p, this can be expressed as log m raised to the power of n to base p. So at this point, we can apply this here. So we can have it that this becomes log root of x all raised to the power of 4 to base b minus log 3x to base b equal to log x raised to the power of negative 2 to base b. Now also note that if I have root of x all raised to the power of 4, this can be expressed as x raised to the power of 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 4. So 2 cancel itself, we have 1. 4 divided by 2, we have 2. So therefore, s raised to the power of 2. So therefore, this point, the left-hand side becomes log x raised to the power of 2 to base b minus log 3x to base b equal to log x raised to the power of negative 2 to base b. Now, at the left-hand side, we can apply the subtraction law of logarithm. So this becomes log x squared divided by 3x, or in base b, equal to log x raised to the power of negative 2 in base b. So at this point, since their bases are the same, the equation reduces to x squared divided by 3x equal to x raised to the power of negative 2. So from here, we can have it that s cancels out itself here, and x squared cancelled by x will remain x. The equation becomes x divided by 3 equal to 1 divided by s squared. Because recall that x raised to the power of negative 2 is equal to 1 divided by s squared. If we cross multiply, so this becomes x multiplied by x squared equal to 3 multiplied by 1. So the left-hand side becomes s cubed equal to 3. So to obtain the value of s, we can take the cube root of both sides. So if we do that, we have it that x is equal to the cube root of 3. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.